This is Ben making our first turkey ever. You're gonna make it do the can now? It's a 10-pound turkey. He's making a dance just like...
You wanna say the booty dance?
Okay. And now he's going to prepare it with the wonderful stuffing that he made already this morning. And he's going to make gravy from the giblets. And here's where I'm going to be rolling out my dough. Okay, we'll get back to you when it's finished and you can see the final product.
Can you pull that up?
Like an artist. Sorry, I meant to take a picture, but this is our finished turkey. Look at it. It looks so good. Look at that. That's the neck right there. Look at it. Oh yeah, look at that breast. Is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
First bite. Okay, this is the first one where we made food. How's the gravy?
Yeah, alright.
Stuffing?
Good.
Turkey?